I just look crazy. This is a well overdue Dubai haul plus some things which I got from Nykaa. So I was like, you know what? Let me just show this to you guys. I recently went to Dubai. I got a few things which I want to show. It is not like a luxury haul. Honestly, मैंने बहुत कम चीजें खरीदी है. But yeah, I just any which ways wanted to show these to you guys. Let's start off with the Dubai haul first. First stop was Sephora and I went a little bit crazy. I mean, like, of course it is सस्ता in India, but still मैंने ये खरीदा. This is the Dior blush. इसका ज़्यादा कुछ difference नहीं था, but as you can see, this is the shade Rosy Glow. I love this shade. I'm so thankful that I went to the store and bought it because Nykaa पे थोड़ा difference है color का when you see it. But this is the perfect mauve shade for Indian skin tones. I feel like it's gonna look so freaking good. And I wanted to get a makeup product specifically as a souvenir from Dubai. So yeah, I know you get it on Nykaa and everywhere, but just wanted it. Then we had these Rare Beauty blushes in like the minis. This was, I don't think, available in India. We have the shade Truth and I think Happy. Yeah, Truth and Happy. Happy, Truth. So I got the minis. Again, the minis are cheaper, but I don't know why I just saw it and I was like, I need it. But yeah, yeah, and also this was not available in India, especially the minis. So मैंने वो ले लिया. I got the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I have heard so many people rave about this. मतलब इतने लोग इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it, but not the full size because I have 10-15 concealers and वो खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. That's why I got the mini. ये mini भी महंगा था. I am in the shade 38N medium tan neutral. Now when I swatched it, I know what type of a shade I want in my concealer, especially because I want like the color correcting benefits. So मैंने मेरे shade से दो shade darker लिया है and also which has orange undertone, so it color corrects easily and it looks great. But yeah, I mean, so far I love this. मैंने ये mini में लिया है. I only use it whenever I feel like I have a special event. Because yeah, it is not available in India. Next, I got 3 mascaras from Boots. Now these 3 mascaras are again not available in India. इसके लिए मैंने इस videos बनाने के लिए भी लिया था. First one is the Maybelline Falsies Surreal Mascara. I made a video on this on my Instagram. Again, the prices of this is a little bit higher than what it would retail in India. Then we have the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. इसके बारे में बहुत ही ज़्यादा controversy हुई थी on Instagram. So I got it. I made a video about it. Then we have the L'Oreal Pro XXL Lift Mascara. Oh my god, this, I will give you a spoiler alert, this is so freaking good. Just yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Next stop was Bershka. Bershka is a clothing store. जब हम वहाँ पे थे हमें पता नहीं था कि launch हो रहा है कि नहीं इंडिया में. And as we left Dubai, we came to know that literally during that time Bershka is launched now in India. But any which ways, I saw like the basic of the basicest tops. I love basics and I usually don't trust myself when it comes to white because वो जल्दी गंदा हो जाता है. But any which ways, I got the white top from Bershka. It is very comfy. It looks really good as well. So I got that. Then I got the same top in a blue color because it looked good and it is of good quality. Basics never go wrong, and for filming videos as well, it is a really good one. So I got this, and मैं जिसके साथ दुबई गई थी, my friend Riya, she told that Bershka has good jewelry जो अच्छे tarnish नहीं होता है, good quality of earrings, bracelets, all of that. So this one earring I got. So basically 3 earrings का set मुझे मिला, मैंने लिया. Number 1, then this is the second one. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, this is the second one, and the third one were these earrings. So I got the set of 3 and so far I'm loving it. Literally मैं दुबई से आने के बाद सिर्फ यही 3 rotation में डाल रही हूँ earrings because you know what, they are really nice. Okay, next up in Aldo, they had like a buy 2 for 499 AED. So I asked Riya if she's buying anything, I'll buy that, then only I'll buy a bag. वैसे मुझे एक बैग लेने का बहुत मन था, but I didn't find anything nice in Coach or anywhere, like even in MK. I feel like the collection of MK in India is better. But any which ways, I got this bag from Aldo. Look at it. It is so freaking cute. And we also met a few viewers in the Aldo store, which was really nice. And the lady who was working in the Aldo store, she helped us pick up the best bag. You can see यहाँ पे एक white है. It also has this chain, and पीछे it has Aldo written all over it. and yeah, I like it. This is my first white bag. Why my first white bag? Because I don't trust myself when it comes to white. I also have this strap for this, but I still feel like just this will be way better. Last but never the least, from Dubai was my first ever luxury purchase, luxury sunglasses. This is my first ever luxury sunglasses. I got a Gucci sunglasses. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. Ooh, look at this. मैंने literally ठान दिया था कि मुझे luxury sunglasses चाहिए. And I am a sunglass fanatic. I do not step out of my house without my sunglasses. So I knew that I would make the best out of it. And I've heard too many things that Dubai में you get some sunglasses for cheaper price. Although I did not find that to be true. सब जगह जहाँ पे मैं गई, they asked for a lot of money. But then, you know, I went to this particular optic store in Dubai Mall where they sell these authentic sunglasses, and I saw it and he's like, I'm gonna offer you one more discount. So these are the sunglasses. You have the Gucci logo over here, and this is how the front looks. Again, we have the same logo over here. I'm just gonna wear it so you guys can see. Yeah, I just feel someone else after wearing these sunglasses. Look how pretty. I always love some sunglasses which are like bigger, so yeah, that's why I got. And I also tend to wear it like this because, you know what, I love it. I feel like I treat sunglasses as an accessory. But yeah, these are my first ever luxury sunglasses. I love them. It's an investment and I love it. Okay, so that was it for my Dubai haul. Let's move on to the Nykaa haul. Now Nykaa से भी मुझे honestly नहीं खरीदती मैं if it wasn't for this series. There's a series which I'm making on my Instagram. So because of that, I had to buy a couple of things. What are those? Let me show you. Let's start off with makeup and then go on to skincare. Makeup mein I have this Insight Radiance filter. I haven't even opened this, but this is basically another version of the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Then what do you get? Like Charlotte Tilbury. Insight has launched a similar version of that. This looks pretty interesting. So videos के लिए मैंने ये खरीदा है. Let's see how it works, performs. I've been seeing the Huda Beauty Ube cake or Ube birthday cake powders. The pink one, although I have like 10 powders and none of them are like running out, I was like, there's no need. But then I still saw this one from Pond's. I know it's been going viral a little bit on Instagram. So this is the Pond's Natural Glow Powder in like the pink shade, literally pink color ka hai. So like, you know what, maybe I'll just buy it and see what is the hype about. And it looks very cute, by the way. Like first time मुझे pink color पसंद नहीं आता है, but I liked this. So again, I'm gonna try it maybe in a YouTube short or something. Next up, again, I got a powder brush from Mars. I saw this and it looked very interesting. So like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it even though I have like literally more than 100 brushes. Still मैंने ये खरीदा है. Okay, lastly we have sunscreens, a lot of sunscreens, because I'm doing a special series on my Instagram for sunscreens. So that's why I have bought 4 sunscreens to be specific. I already have too many sunscreens, but I still got it. And then what happened? Literally brands are sending me sunscreens as a PR. First up is this sunscreen from Dot & Key. This is the Mango Detan Gel Sunscreen. This is a brand new one and I was excited to try it out. So, you know, I was like, you know what? Is pe video bhi achhi banegi and I really want to try because mango sunscreen is very different than the other sunscreens. Then I got the Wishcare Oil Balanced Niacinamide Fluid Sunscreen. Again, I am making a video on this literally today. I'm trying it out. So I'm just gonna keep it over there. That is the next one. This is the Lakme one, which Ashi told me it is very good for the series which I'm making. So Lakme Sun Expert Dry Matte Fluid. Again, looks very, very intriguing. I do have the other one from Lakme, जो मेरे अभी drawer में है, but this looks intriguing as well. Again, you'll see all the results on the series. And then lastly, again, it is a newer launch. This is the Vaseline Gluta Hya Luminous Defense Sunscreen. 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. I really hope that this is a face sunscreen. So those were the 4 sunscreens, and I also got some freebies. We have the Estee Lauder one, we have Estee Lauder again, and then we have Redken. Again, I'm gonna probably give this in giveaway or just keep it for my friends. I'm like, anyone who wants these, just go ahead and take it. So that was my Dubai and Nykaa haul. Let me know which products did you love the most, which one would you personally buy. And thank you so much for watching. There are review videos coming super soon, and yeah, make sure to stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.